Hey guys, today we have an unboxing from the cubicle, and I'm not going to be editing this video, I'm just going to try to get to things as fast as possible. So, we have these things, Angstrom Research, business card, and, perfect, we have a cubicle Halloween logo, which I kind of like. It's pretty cool. Come on, focus. It's not focusing. Oh well. But you get a free one of those with every order. I think, yeah, I don't know for how long, but yeah, so we'll just put these two things right here. Now we've got the DaYan TenYun M2x2. So this is pretty exciting because I want the DaYan TenYun M3x3, whoops, but I just didn't get it because it's money and, you know. Okay, so here it is, box, parts box. Looks like that's not important. So we'll put this off to the side and get into this. Parts box, there's springs, even more springs, and a pamphlet. Oh, I think this will be helpful. Yes. Okay, I'm learning CLL right now, so this pamphlet's going to be helpful. Yeah, so that's cool. Wait, how does this fold up? Who cares? So now let's just get onto the cube. I really don't like unboxings that take forever to get into the cube, so I'm trying to make this as fast as possible. Okay, it is not covered in lube this time, like the 3x3 was. Okay, tensions are pretty good, first turns. Oh, what? You can hardly hear this. Like, I don't even know if my mic's good enough to pick this up. This is actually insane. Okay, so, first impressions. There's some spring noise there. Yeah, I'm gonna need to lube the hardware, but this is absolutely insane. I like this. Okay, so my previous main was the MGC 2x2, which is faster. This is pretty slow right now. But this is like super quiet. What the heck? This is super quiet. Corner cutting. Pretty much 45. Nothing over though. Or maybe a little. Actually, maybe a little bit over. Yeah, and reverse, it's, whoa, not as good as the Volk that I've seen, but oh well. Okay, so it's really quiet. The magnets are pretty strong. No, actually the magnets are pretty weak. And, it's pretty slow. But if I find this cube to be pretty good, and I want to, I will make a review on this. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this unboxing. I tried to make it pretty short, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.